Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English online class. Today, once again, we are going to recall the Lord who became a blacksmith part 1 classwork. Now, children, see, open your classworks and see in that. Lesson number 15, The Lord who became a blacksmith part 1. This is the part 1. Again, we have the part 2 also. The Lord who became a blacksmith part 1. In that, what we are going to discuss at first? Every time we are going to discuss about the hard words only at first of all. So write the hard words. Hard words. Now see the first one. Journey. 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 Second one. Ordered. 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 Sparks. 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 Particular. 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 Blacksmith. 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 Coachman. 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 Dollar. Dollar. Eighth one. Farmer. 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 Ploughh. Plug. Strength. 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 Attached. Attached. Hammer. 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 Lord. Lord. Fug. Foggy. Yeah. Meanings. First one, smithy. What is the meaning of smithy? A blacksmith's workshop. A blacksmith's workshop. Smithy. A blacksmith's workshop. Blows. A pipe-like thing to blow air. A pipe-like thing. What is the meaning here? A pipe-like thing to blow air. Hammer. A tool with a heavy metal hand attached to a handle. A tool with a heavy metal hand attached to a handle. Triple. A thing of little value. Triple. A thing of little value. One. Forge. To shape a piece where blacksmith heats iron. To shape a place. To shape a place where blacksmith heats iron. To shape a place where blacksmith heats iron. Sixth one. Thrust. Push. Thrust. Push. Seventh one. Spark. A small fiery particle thrown off from a fire. A small fiery particle thrown off from a fire. One. Anvil. A place where blacksmith beats the hot iron. Anvil. A place where blacksmith beats the hot iron. Question and answers. Question and answers. What happened to the Lord's coach on the way? What is the first question here? What happened to the Lord's coach on the way? Tan coach undi kada adi on the way lo emaindi? See here. The Lord's coach broke down on the way. What happened? Broke down on the way. That much lo adi virigipoyindannamata. Again I am repeating. See here nana. What happened to the Lord's coach on the way? The Lord's coach broke down on the way. Question. Second one. How much did the Lord pay to the blacksmith? How much did the Lord pay to the blacksmith? Blacksmith ki enta mani pay chesadu? Very good. The Lord paid $1 to the blacksmith. $1 to the blacksmith. See here again. The Lord paid. The Lord paid $1 to the blacksmith. Blacksmith కి ఎంత పే చేశారు నాన్న? $1 ఇచ్చారనమాట. థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్, what did the Lord's wife say to the Lord? What did the Lord's wife say to the Lord? Lord's wife ఏమని చెప్తుంది? See here. The Lord's wife said to the Lord that try to learn the blacksmith work. The Lord's wife said, ఏమని చెప్తుంది? To the Lord that try to learn the blacksmith work. blacksmith work ని ప్రాక్టీస్ అంటే నేర్చుకోమని చెప్తుంది అనమాట. లెర్న్ చేయమని చెప్తుంది. అగైన్ సీ నాన్న, ద లార్డ్స్ వైఫ్ సేడ్ టు ద లార్డ్ దట్ ట్రై టు లెర్న్ ద బ్లాక్ స్మిత్ వర్క్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫోర్త్ వన్, వాట్ డిడ్ ద ఫార్మర్ వాంట్ టు మేక్? వాట్ డిడ్ ద ఫార్మర్ వాంట్ టు మేక్? ఫార్మర్ ఏం చేయాలనుకున్నాడు? సీ ద ఆన్సర్. ద ఫార్మర్ wanted to make a plug. The farmer wanted to make a plug. Plug ని తయారు చేద్దామని అనుకున్నాడు అనమాట. ఫిఫ్త్ క్వశ్చన్, what happened when the farmer beat the hot iron? What happened? ఫార్మర్ ఐరన్ తీసుకొచ్చాడు కదా, దాన్ని బీట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమైంది? అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ రిపీటింగ్ ద క్వశ్చన్. సీనా, వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్ when the farmer beat the hot iron? హాట్ ఐరన్ బీట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమైంది? when the farmer beat the hot iron, the sparks flew from it. The sparks flew from it. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఐరన్ని డ్రిల్ చేస్తారు కదా, అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది? మంటలు ఇట్లా బయటకు వచ్చినట్టు వస్తాయి. అవి చూసారా? ఎస్, దట్ ఓన్లీ. when the farmer beat the hot iron, when the farmer beat the hot iron, the sparks flew from it. The sparks flew from it. Okay, these are the 5 question and answers. Your textbook, up to now we finished the question and answers. Now open your textbook, page number 24. Page number 24. Now tick the right answers. Tick the right answers. See Nana, what is the first one? What did the Lord feel after paying $1? After paying $1, what the Lord was feeling? Very good. He felt angry. Here the 3 answers are there. What are they? See here. He felt happy. He felt sad. He felt angry. $1 ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత ఎలా ఫీల్ అయ్యాడు? Lord very angry. So keep the tick mark here. He felt angry. He felt angry. Why did the Lord feel after paying $1? What did he feel? He felt angry. Bibit. What kind of persons were the Lord and his wife? Were the Lord and his wife are? Both them are what persons? Which kind of persons? Now see the here choices are there. No? They were foolish. They were greedy. They were wise. What persons? They are very greedy persons. No? Yes, tick that here. The second option is the correct one. They were greedy. What kind of persons were the Lord and his wife? The Lord and his wife are very greedy person. ఇద్దరు కూడా పిస్నారోళ్ళు అనమాట. గ్రీడీ మీన్స్ పిస్నారోళ్ళు ఉంటారు చూడండి, డబ్బులు ఎవరికి ఇవ్వకుండా ఉంటారు వాళ్ళని అంటారు. What did the Lord think of blacksmith's work? What did the Lord think about the blacksmith work? Yes, it is very easy that the Lord thinks. But here is the 3 options. Which one is the correct one? We have to keep the tick mark at that answer. His work was very difficult. He felt that it work was very difficult. No, it was very easy to do his work. What the Lord was thinking is it was very easy. Next, what is the third option here? It was not good for the Lord to do such a work. Not good to do such a work అనుకున్నాడా, లేకపోతే డిఫికల్ట్ అనుకున్నాడా, చాలా ఈజీ వర్క్ అనుకున్నాడా? Yes, the Lord thinks about the blacksmith that the blacksmith work was very easy to do. Like that the Lord థింగ్స్. సో ద సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ ఈజ్ ద కరెక్ట్ వన్. లార్డ్ ఏమనుకున్నాడు, బ్లాక్ స్మిత్ చేసే వర్క్ చాలా ఈజీ, అందుకే తొందరగా చేశాడు అని అనుకున్నాడు కదా. ఎస్, దట్స్ వై ద సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ ఈజ్ ద కరెక్ట్ వన్. I am repeating here the three. Tick the correct answers. What did the Lord feel after paying $1? He felt angry. He felt angry. What kind of persons were the Lord and his wife? Both they are greedy persons. They were greedy. What did the Lord think of blacksmith's work? It was very easy to do his work. Second Roman, complete the following statements. Complete the following statements. The first one is, the Lord dashed the coachman to call the blacksmith. The Lord dashed the coachman to call the blacksmith. ఏం చేశాడు, లార్డ్ ఆర్డర్ వేశారు కదా. సో ద ఆన్సర్ is ordered. Write the spelling here. Ordered. O-R-D-E-R-E-D. Ordered the coachman to call the blacksmith. Next, B bit. So the Lord dash visiting the smithy. So the Lord dash visiting the smithy. So the Lord began to visiting, B-E-G-A-N, began visiting the smithy. Next, C1. He asked his coachman to dash the fire with the blows. Yes, blow. Here blow. B-L-O-W, blow. He asked his coachman to blow the fire with the blows. D. He beat so hard that dash flew from it. ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఎలా వస్తుంది, బీట్ చేసినప్పుడు పైకి ఇట్లా వస్తుంది కదా. ఇక్కడ దాన్ని ఏమంటాము, స్పార్క్స్ అంటాం అనమాట. He beat so hard that sparks flew from it. Right here the spelling. S-P-A-R-K-S, sparks. It so hard that sparks flew from it. Next, E bit. The iron dash thinner and thinner. ఏమైపోయింది, ఐరన్ became thinner and thinner. B-E-C-A-M-E, became thinner and thinner. Again I am repeating this. Fill in the blanks. See Nana, complete the following statements. Complete the following statements. The Lord dash the coachman to call the blacksmith. The Lord ordered the coachman to call the blacksmith. So the Lord dash visiting the smithy. So the Lord began visiting the smithy. C1. He asked his coachman to dash the fire with the blows. Blow the fire with the blows. Next, he beat so hard that dash flew from it. He beat so hard that sparks flew from it. Next, the iron dash thinner and thinner. The iron became thinner and thinner. Here it refers to time that is yet to come. This is the simple future tense. This is the simple future tense. We have read in this lesson. Here one sentence is there that is already read in this lesson. We shall spoil the peace this way. We shall spoil the peace this way. It is the future tense. అంటే మనం ఇలా చేస్తే స్పాయిల్ అవుతుంది అని చెప్పేది ఏంటిది, ఫ్యూచర్ టెన్స్. హియర్ సీ నాన్న, we use shall with I and we use shall with I and we. ఐకి వీకేం యూస్ చేస్తాము, షల్. We use will with all other nouns and pronouns. Here will use it by the all pronouns and nouns. Only shall will use it with I and we. We use first form of the verb. We use first form of the verb. Again see here, షెల్ ఎక్కడ యూస్ చేస్తామంటే మనం ఐ వి అని ఎక్కడైతే వస్తుందో షెల్ అక్కడ యూస్ చేయాలి. విల్ అని ఎక్కడ యూస్ చేస్తాము, నౌన్స్ అండ్ ప్రొనౌన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఆ అదర్ సెంటెన్సెస్ ఏదొచ్చినా కానీ మనము విల్ అని యూస్ చేస్తాము. షెల్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ వేర్ ఐ అండ్ వి. నెక్స్ట్ విల్ యూజ్ ఇట్ with all other nouns and pronouns. Okay, here see Nana, fourth Roman. Now use will or shall in the following. here we have to use that will or shall. Will or shall use చేసి మనం ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్స్ రాయాలి. ఓకే, నౌ see here what is the a bit here. See here a bit, he dash come. He dash come. Here I and we are there in this sentence, not there. So shall is not using here. But which letter is here? We have to use which word? Will. Write the spelling here. Will. W-I-L-L. Will. Next B1. The villagers dash go. The villagers dash go. What is the answer here? Tell me. Very good. Will. The villagers will go. W-I-L-L. Will. We will come. The villagers will go. Okay. Next, see the C bit. Next C bit. I dash sleep. I dash sleep. Here which sentence, which letter is there? I is there. If I is there means which one we have to use? Shall. So now write here the spelling shall. S-H-A-L-L. Shall. Next, see here D bit. We dash not go. We dash not go. Here we is there. I and we are used for shall. Now write here the spelling shall. S-H-A-L-L. Shall. Okay. చూడాలన్నా ఐ వి అని ఉన్నప్పుడే షెల్ రాస్తాం. మిగిలిన ఏ లెటర్స్ ఉన్నా కానీ నౌన్స్కి ప్రొనౌన్స్కి సంబంధించి బ్లాంక్లో మనం ఏం రాయాలి? విల్ అనే రాయాలి. ఓకే, I am telling this for see. He dash come. He will come. B bit. The villager dash go. The villager will go. C bit. I dash sleep. I shall sleep. D bit. We dash not go. We shall not go. Okay, children, practice this all the hard words, meanings, question and answers and textbook grammar what I told in the class. Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you, children.